In this video, I will show you how to resolve the margin problem when you print PDF in AutoCAD. So I have this drawing. I want to print it. I'll just go to here, click and go to print. And then I will select my preferred printer. So I prefer AutoCAD PDF, a high quality print. And then I select my paper size. I prefer ISO A1, that is 840 by 594, or I can select this one. Let me pick another 840. Let me pick this one. Okay, so I prefer Windows, so I'll just go to Windows and then select from that point to that point. So if we preview, you'll notice that I have a problem because my margin here is so small. Okay, I can try to resolve that problem by selecting another size. So I select full bleed, ISO full bleed 840, that is A1, and then because I've already selected the window, and just preview. The problem has even become more, because you can see now my margin here is I have a very good margin here, but the margin here is 0. So let us resolve this issue together. I'll just close that one. Okay, so if you try any other way, if you try to change and maybe type the margin here to be the same 0.67, if you preview, you'll notice that your drawing has more problem because it shifts to the right. So this does not resolve the problem. To resolve this problem, you just need to go to properties. You can see the paper I have selected. You need to know to mark the size. Let me drag it somewhere there. I'll go to property. Let me just drag it. You can see there the size of paper. And just expand this one. There's no problem. So you can go to modify standard paper size. You need to go to modify standard paper size. We need to select from here. So this is the paper I've selected. I will click on it and then go to modify. So this is the source of my problem. Now I can just type my margin to be 16.67 because I think that is a good margin, millimeters. Just copy and paste it. Then paste. And then I'll go to next. Then next. And then I'll finish. So I can also modify the other paper. It was just ISO and then modify. So you can see the margins here 17. So I prefer this one to be 17 too, because this and this side were too small. Type 17 and then next. then finish. And then you can just click OK. And then click OK. So if I now go to preview, it's still on this side because we did not select center the object. So I usually use that. Then now we can preview. Now you can see my margins are perfect. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.